Hi guys, welcome to the channel here, VST, Velian Tech, yet another Samsung app update from the original Galaxy Store, device care, accessibility, create movie, video editor, select background music and Samsung members. So I decided to do a video. I checked all of this and the only changelog is only available for Samsung members. What's new? They are saying that the Samsung members is renewed overall, enjoy new community features like the accept solution and the badge, manage your device using the more powerful diagnostic features. Okay, I'm gonna be taking a look at that one. Device care, no update. Accessibility, no updates, so no changelog. Create movie, video editor, the same, and I think even there are some bugs with this. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna hit the update button. While I'm updating these applications, I'm going to open the Samsung members as it is right now, so we can later check and compare. Alright, this is the Samsung members right now. If you go from the main menu, explore to get help, you're gonna see here phone care. Click go to phone care and you'll be able to diagnose your phone. So there are some automatic checks that you can perform using Samsung members. And that's quite funny because it seems that Samsung have so many ways for you to test your phone. From the Galaxy Lab applications, from these applications, from device care, really a lot. It can suggest also some settings optimization, like in my case, gonna be turn off the Bluetooth, turn on the dark mode, etc. And you have also some interactive checks. Check your phone's hardware to make sure you're getting the best from it. All the updates have been applied, so let's start the Samsung members. Going here, Samsung members. Let's try to see what the new things are. I also did delete my cache and storage, just to be 100% sure, guys, because I'm switching SIM cards, etc. Alright, welcome to Samsung members. What we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be getting directly to the Get Help section and going here to go to phone care. I just wanna see something's different. Pretty much looks exactly the same way. Optimize settings, let's check, like I told you, switching off the Bluetooth and etc. Even switching off the auto sync and auto rotate, but I'm using those things, so I'm not gonna do so. Going to the interactive checks, again, let's check the battery. You can hit battery here, see how many percentage you have, what is the life and what is the capacity. Same with the Bluetooth, right? You can go status, settings, check everything. Very easy, guys. You can do also vibration checks, right? It is vibrating right now in my head as I speak. You can do microphone checks. Okay, hit the microphone, hit record, 1, 2, 3, test. Okay, then you can stop it. Then you see you're gonna be able to play back your recordings. Clean memory, right? Clean memory is interesting. Like I told you, there are so many ways, so many Samsung labs allowing you to do so. All right, your phone now has been optimized. And optimize settings is actually getting you to the same menu you have from the automatic checks. So it's pretty much what it is, right? About Samsung members, I can see that I'm using already the latest version. All right, let's check also now device care, because device care is interesting. All right, so I'm gonna go into the settings. I'm gonna go here to battery and device care, and I'm gonna be looking for something new. All right, so let's see here. Okay, apps, issue history, restart history. Turn on device protection, keep your phone safe from malware. Okay, turn on device protection, scan phone. I think all of those settings have been there before. If we go here to about device care, we see that we are using the latest version. No, wait, something here, update security engine. Latest version installed, okay, that's good. From here, we can go to automation, auto optimize daily, this was there before. Auto restart at set time, adaptive power saving, it's off. I'm gonna turn it on. Turn power saving mode on and off automatically based on your usage pattern, so you can save power when it's not needed. This sounds cool to me. And auto scan for malware, I'm also gonna leave this on. Now going back, let's click battery here. Pretty much the same menu, power saving mode, okay, you can turn it off and on. You have the background usage limits, okay, put units up to sleep, the sleeping apps, the deep sleeping apps, the never sleeping apps. We have the wireless power sharing, it is off right now and that's also okay. More battery settings, adaptive battery and hand processing if you want to get more juice, show battery percentage, show charging information and then all types of charging enabled.